Hello, if you are wondering what kind of the charger you can use into the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, let me quickly explain. So I'm using two of them. The first one is made by Sony. This is of course not the original one from Samsung, and it's even with an old USB-A input. And yes, you don't have to use the original charger from Samsung, you can almost use any power adapter. And the same it looks with this one. This is super powerful charger from Motorola, 125 watts with a USB-C input. And it's much more powerful than the maximum charging speed of this device, because this one only have 45 watts. But if you have the same situation, that you have much more powerful charger, don't worry, because this phone will automatically adjust the charging speed. So it's not like you are gonna broke your battery or your charging port. What I want to say that you can use almost any power adapter. But if you want to reach the top speed of the charging, it's highly recommended to use the Samsung one with the original Samsung cable. And it looks the same for the cable. I just show you that I'm using this old Sony charger from my camera sometimes, but I'm also sometimes using this old cable USB-A into the USB-C from my Sennheiser headphones. So this is it, just a quick information for you if you are wondering. Thank you so much for watching.